Now we will start with the topic of senescence. This is a term that defines the period between the complete maturation of an individual and that of the death. That is the period that occurs between the maturation of an individual. This individual defines either plants, animals, or any other organism. But here we are using for plants. So, time period between maturation and death of that individual defines the term, that is senescence. Senescence is also known as aging. During the period of senescence, the percentage of catabolic activities remain high. Because after the maturation, that there attains a time when the anabolic activities decreases and that of catabolic activities increases. As a result, the degradation of various organ and organ system occurs. This degradation also involves the depreciation of the organ system. As a result, the efficiency in order to carry out various metabolic activity also decreases. Such a senescence period affects the individual organs and thereby gradually to the entire body. It has been supposed that hormones play an influential role in this. That is, in order to carry out senescence. Example, such a senescence period occurs in annual plants like wheat and other cereals. It also occurs in biennial plants, but the only difference between these two plants is that in annual plants, the entire organ of the body gets degraded simultaneously, but in biennial plants, initially aerial shoot degrades and thereby gradually the other organs. For example, in autumn, generally in case of biennial plants, all the leaves drop off. This is a symptom of aging or senescence. There occurs another term known as abscissation, which is associated with senescence. Abscissation is the phenomenon that occurs during the period of senescence. That is, the phenomenon that carries out the dropping of leaf, flower and fruit during the period of senescence or aging. Is known as abscissation. That is, abscissation is a phenomenon that carries out during the period of senescence. Now, as we have studied before, that the growth regulators involve two types of regulators, that is agents. One is growth stimulating and other is growth inhibiting. Now that is very obvious that growth of the plant, growth stimulating hormones act, while during degradation of the plant, growth inhibiting hormones act. So, during the period of growth, the synthesis of growth in stimulating hormone, that is auxin, occurs more, that is occurs in a high amount. But gradually with time, due to aging or senescence, the synthesis of auxin decreases and the synthesis or the production of growth inhibiting hormones such growth inhibiting hormones mainly occur are ethylene and abscisic acid, which causes degradation of the organ and associated organ system. In this manner, the process or the phenomenon of abscissation occurs, which causes senescence. This figure depicts the phenomenon of abscissation within a leaf. As it can be seen from the figure, there occurs a separation layer between the leaf petioles. Such a separation layer which causes abscissation is known as abscissation layer. Thus, abscissation layer is considered as a zone which causes degradation of the organ system. As a result of this abscissation layer, the middle portion of the lamina that is the main part of the leaf, which is made up of pectin, containing the intercellular cellulose cell wall, gets degraded. Thus, it is due to this separation zone or abscissation layer that the lamina and the petiole portion, which consists of pigments like pectin and cellulose, gets degraded. As a result, the gradual death of the plant occurs, which causes senescence due to the abscissation. A hormonal imbalance is mainly responsible for such a phenomenon to occur. due to which weakness occurs, which causes the degradation of the plant. In this manner, the plant gets degraded or becomes dead.